population can be divided into two parts. One is the bhindi lovers and the other is the bhindi haters. Welcome to the Highs and Lows series where we scan everyday food items from the viewpoint of Ayurveda. And our topic for today is bhindi or okra or lady's finger. Basically, this is loaded with tons of nutritional benefits. We're going to start with its highs. This is rich in fiber. It is bitter and astringent in taste. Can you imagine? So many of us love bhindi, but you did not know that it was bitter in taste. But it has a subtle bitter taste to it, which brings a load of other health benefits as well. Let's take it one after the other. Firstly, it is warming in nature. That's why it is great for your digestion naturally. So it supports digestion like anything. Bhindi, as you know, it's a little slimy in nature. That's why few of us don't like bhindi. They literally hate bhindi. But then there are others which love bhindi. It's very slimy. Nature itself is very important for it to prevent constipation. So yes, because it's rich in fiber, and yes, because it's a little slimy in texture, it helps in continuing the forward going process of our bowel content. Let's put it that way. So basically, it prevents constipation, it is great for digestion, and therefore it's a great vegetable that everybody should include in their everyday diet. But apart from that, the other health benefits, the bigger health benefits that bhindi has or okra has, is it is great in lifestyle disorders, great in weight management. If you want to lose weight, you must indulge into this. Diabetics can consume this. If you want to lose weight, you can consume this. People with higher levels of lipids, higher side of lipid profile, also can indulge into bhindi because it's going to help them lower. What's more important is, according to Ayurveda, it cleanses the body channels. So there are minute channels that connect our organs to each other, right? So bhindi helps to cleanse those channels as well. So this is great for detox. Deep inner detox can be supported because of with bhindi. What are its lows? Very few lows. It just depends on how you're consuming bhindi. There are various bhindi fries that people eat. Masala bhindi, spicy bhindi, bhindi mixed with dahi and all. Dahi is heated. So avoid those combinations. Avoid frying bhindi too much. Avoid adding too much masala, too much spice to it, and mainly frying bhindi. You can air fry bhindi. Very good for a snack item. Air fried bhindi, a little spiced topping on it. Great for snacks. Very healthy option as well. So that's all I have about bhindi. Just because bhindi is good for you, please do not eat it morning, evening, 24/7. Anything that is good for you also needs to be consumed in moderation so that you get the benefits. You reap the benefits out of it, but then you don't bombard your body with it. So please remember that. That's all for today. See you again very soon with another food item which we will scan from the lens of Ayurveda and modern science.